Hello and welcome to the next video in the AI Ethics Challenges series. Today we are going to talk about AI accountability. But before proceeding, let me just recap the challenges of ethical AI for you. Let me remind you that I have already done an introductory video on ethical AI that talks about all the 4 challenges. But just to revise, the first one is AI bias, which refers to systematic and unfair discrimination in AI systems against a group of people, which is caused by bias in the training data set, the design process, or the algorithm itself. The next challenge is data privacy, which is the right of individuals to control how their personal information is being collected, where they are stored, how they are shared, and finally, how they are being used by the entities that are collecting that data. The third one is AI accountability. We are going to discuss about it in detail in this video, so let me just skip it for now. The final challenge is AI access, which is the absence of digital divide between people who can afford the AI systems and those who cannot. So let's dive into what is AI accountability. If you open the dictionary, then the term accountable or accountability means being responsible. AI accountability is the obligation of individuals or organizations, whoever is developing an AI system, to take responsibility for the AI decisions, actions, and outcomes. AI accountability is necessary to ensure that the AI systems that are being used are ethical and the errors committed by the AI systems are addressed properly before they actually end up harming people in a big way. So why does AI accountability matter? Now, AI is making life-changing decisions about us in every aspect of our life, be it education, finances, our career, healthcare, communication, traveling, everything. So if something goes wrong, we need to know who is responsible. This is our natural reaction. Suppose somebody drops a glass of water, then what is our first reaction? Who did it? How did it happen? Could it have been prevented? If it could have been prevented, then why it was not prevented? We always try to fix who is responsible for that mistake, because if we do not fix who was responsible for that mistake, we cannot ensure that the mistake is not committed the next time. This is the case for AI systems as well. If we do not know who is responsible for their actions, when a mistake occurs, then it becomes difficult to know who is responsible and then correct it accordingly. So the big question is, when AI makes a mistake, who is responsible for that mistake? Who is setting the rules for decision making? Who is ensuring that harm is prevented or at least corrected in time? These are the questions that we need to ask when thinking about AI accountability. Let's take an example of a self-driving car. Suppose the self-driving car has caused an accident. So who is responsible for that accident? The car owner. If you own the car, are you responsible? But then you might say that, no, I was not driving the car. The AI system was driving the car. Then is the company that built the AI responsible, or is the programmer who coded the system who is responsible? The debate on who is responsible for the actions of an AI system is an ongoing thing, and it is happening at all levels. So let's look at what are the challenges in fixing AI responsibility. The first one is lack of clear laws. We do not have any universal rules framed which fixes the responsibility of AI actions. The next is that AI operates autonomously. What does that mean? That means that the AI system operates on its own. There are no individuals, there are no humans involved here. We have trained the AI system, we have put it in place, and it is functioning on its own. So it becomes very hard to determine who is making the decision, the code or the machine. Essentially, it ends up becoming a black box problem. Since the AI systems are complex, it is difficult to track that at which point the error is happening, due to what the error is happening. Is it because of the rules set up in the code, or is it due to the design process itself, or is it due to the real-time inputs being provided to get an output? These are the major challenges in establishing an AI accountability framework. But then what is the path forward? The first and foremost, all the AI decisions should be explainable. The actions or outcomes of AI systems should be transparent. We should know who or what is responsible for that decision, its design, its code, or the real-time inputs being provided. Then again, governments need to establish accountability laws for AI systems being developed as well. And finally, the companies that are developing these AI systems need to embrace ethical AI development and be intentional about making AI responsible for its own actions and outcome. Besides testing for accuracy, these AI models should also be tested for fairness and reliability and accountability. We actually need to foster a culture of AI accountability if we want to continue using AI tools in the future, because if the AI is not responsible for its own actions, then it will be difficult to build trust and fairness in AI systems. And if there is no trust in the AI system that people are using, they will maybe stop using it or use it less frequently. And then the whole point of having such advanced technology at our fingertips is lost. Everyone from designers, coders, developers, government, the end user, everybody is a stakeholder in fixing AI responsibility, and they have a role to play, which they must be intentional about and embrace it. Everybody should realize that they are responsible for developing and using the AI system, and hence they are also responsible for putting an AI accountability framework in place. The future of AI tools, how we are using it, how much we are using it, depends on how well we are handling the AI accountability challenges. If we are not able to handle these challenges and we do not have an acceptable AI accountability framework in place soon, then maybe it will be difficult to use AI tools at the scale that we would actually want to use this technology. That's all for today on AI accountability. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I promise to answer. And do not forget to check out other videos in the AI ethics series. I have put the link in the description. I've also written a blog post on AI ethics that covers all the topics in that one blog. I have dropped the link to that blog in the comments, so you can just go and read. That is all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.